At yun, good day, minasama today guys ay may nagpadala sa ating cellphone, iPhone 11 Pro Max na pinapaayos ni Madam. At yun, ito, para tuluyan siya. Nasira daw yung kanyang screen, nagkaroon siya ng green screen kaya let's check it and let's try to repair it, okay? Syempre, umorder na rin tayo sa Amazon ng kanyang tawag doon, ng kanyang front screen. Kasi yan, dumating na, buksan natin itong lalaman. Made in China, guys. China lang magaling sa ganyan eh. May quality check daw. Kaya malamang kung China galing, hindi siya.
Cell phone repair can involve a variety of services, depending on the specific issues a device may be experiencing. Here are some common repair services offered. Janimar 1. Screen replacement. Cracked or shattered screens are the most common repair request. This involves replacing the LCD or OLED display. 2. Battery replacement. Over time, phone batteries lose their ability to hold a charge. Replacing a degraded battery can extend the life of a phone. 3. Charging port repair. Issues with the charging port can prevent the phone from charging properly. This may involve cleaning or replacing the port. 4. Camera repair. Problems with the front or rear cameras, e.g. blurry images, failure to focus, can require lens replacement or internal component repair. 5. Water damage repair. If a phone is exposed to water, it may require thorough cleaning and component replacement, depending on the extent of the damage. 6. Button repairs. Broken or unresponsive buttons, home, volume, power, can typically be repaired or replaced. 7. Speaker, microphone repair. If you experience issues with sound quality during calls or notifications, these components may need servicing. 8. Software troubleshooting. Sometimes issues stem from software glitches or operating system errors, which may require updates or factory resets. Yumwana 9. Data recovery. If the phone is damaged but data recovery is possible, services may be available to retrieve lost files, contacts, and photos. DIY versus professional repair. DIY repair. Many people attempt to repair their phones using online tutorials and purchasing replacement parts. This can save money but may void warranties or lead to further damage if done incorrectly. Professional repair. Authorized service providers or skilled technicians can often provide higher quality repairs with warranties and guarantees on the work done. Finding a repair service. Authorized service centers. For branded phones like Apple, Samsung, etc., visiting an authorized repair center is recommended. Local repair shops. Many local repair shops offer competitive pricing and can usually handle various repair needs. Mail-in services. Some companies offer mail-in repairs, which can be convenient if you don't have local options. Tips for maintenance. Use a sturdy case and screen protector to prevent damage. Avoid exposure to extreme temperatures or moisture. Regularly back up your data to avoid potential loss. If you have a specific issue or need advice regarding a phone type or repair process, feel free to ask.